Here we go, long-awaited first Queen's Wharf lift ride. Doesn't even work.
Going up.
Which doors? First ocean 2 of the day.
First floor.
Come on.
Going down.
That's still cancel at least.
Ground
Lift number
floor.
Bellow Cafe lift.
Going up. First.
Just first, okay. Send it down. Let's have a look on top. Oh, this one works. Oh, the chassis. There's the motor. And all the shaft stuff. Let's go and find some more. Okay, here's the second lift, which looks side opening. This one has a landscape pixel tech indicator. Ooh, new chimes. That's
Going
glass.
up.
I think the other one was glass, wasn't it? I can't remember now. 683 on signposts. This one's Miller Park lift. Slow doors. I'm not sure you get travel on this one.
First floor.
Controller. ACD4,
Going down.
which stands for Asian Controller and Drive 4, I think. Otis 1. Oh look, there's a... I don't know what model you would just call this thing. I think I'd still call it a Gen 2.
Ground floor.
Still 2023, according to that. These aren't set up very well, aren't they? There's the door track.
Going up.
Same door equipment as the other one. That's not how the chassis look. I can see the side chassis for that, and the switch is connected to. It's interesting. There's the counterweight.
First floor.
Get a chime from out here. The side LOB. Doesn't want to chime. One more ride to ground. I don't mind the block GS. It looks nice in my opinion. Independent service by locks.
Floor.
Cool. I think that's the 2 lifts on this side, so we'll go into the main part of Queen's Wharf now. Here's the next lift I could find, which looks as this indicator. Oh, it's locked. Well, that sucks. Guess we can't film this one then. Alright, first set of main lifts we have. Zero. Wow, sharp lights on. Right. go to 5. 2021. These have been sitting here waiting for people for years. Basement 5 unlocked. Why is my camera not showing the lights very well? God, basement 5. Wow. How well built are these? Not very well built. Well, they're okay. Not as bad as Gen 2 likes, but could be better. Still. There's no P12. See the lights going by. Good, I thought you do a video in there. Since the shaft lights are on.
5.
Basement 5. Wow. Basement 5. Now this is steep. Let's try and do a wide angle shot of these lifts because they're pretty cool. I don't mind them, they're okay. Could be better, but at least they're not completely normal Gen 2 regens. Is there anything else down here? Oh, there is. I think that might be the star lifts, maybe. I like the lanterns. 7 segment displays with... I like it. Same lift again, whatever. It's not like they're very different anyway. Thank God it has Otis's doors instead of having pizza doors like this. One's outside, dude. You can always do a video right here. Sharp lights, right? Not very interesting, though, is it? I think that should be open. Oh, regen. Won't be long until that breaks. They never last long as wax. Wow, this is busy. This one has beeping buttons. There's no P10. I won't take too many videos of this because I don't want to piss people off by using the list too much. Wait, why is there an arrow on this side? That's weird. We'll see if we can access the other list from down here. If we can't, we'll go back up to wherever before. Basement 2. Okay, let's see if we can get the Star Grand lifts. If we can't, then that's fine. Well, good luck. We can access them from this floor. Gorgeous. That. Take a photo of that. Oh, that's a nice chime. It sounds different to normal. Oh, this smells so nice in here. It's brand new, so what do you expect, really? Actually, I think there's air freshener down here. Oh. Which one's lit up? This one. Wow, pixel. Forgot what that's called. Wow. Let's go to the sky deck. From basement 3. This is a beautiful lift. Oh my god. This is amazing. Look at this. I love it. Please don't get copyright strike from this music. Sky deck's unlocked, which is wonderful to see. Is the indicator stuck on B3? I feel like it should be displaying EX or something for Express, but whatever. Lift number G6, 69 kilograms for 1 person. These are fast. I need to do a measure speed test on these. Yep. And here's the most exciting part of Queen's Wharf. With some, I think there's some planes here for river fire practice or something. But look at how tall this is. Amazing. But let's, again, if I have time I'll do another video on that. So let's just have a look at the lifts, because that's the main thing I'm here for, really. I think he's MRL, that's amazing. 23 floor MRLs. No chimes, but look at it.
Missed it. Thanks to.
Oh my god, that's loud. Let's go to the lobby. Oh god, that's loud. Hope no one's sleeping in the hotel. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, we're stopping at the floor.
Hotel level 14.
Hey, what room were you in?
You know when the level 7 outside area will be open?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh right, that's all good.
Should have flybys, that would have been good.
Yeah. Oh, this is the lobby, but whatever. Oh wow, these are bouncy. Bell cables. Let's see if the leisure deck's open. Nope, okay, let's try basement 5. Nope.
Level 2. Grand lobby.
Where do you want to go? To the
The
bridge.
casino.
So,
You're the top
right
floor?
up top.
Yeah.
Skydeck. Thank you.
You're good.
I keep hearing planes.
Yeah, they're very loud up there, yeah.
Ah, so
There's
they-
lots of people up there as well.
Practicing for tomorrow night.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, let's go up
Level 5.
Interesting, level 5 has step buttons. No indicators. Oh no. Here's another lift. Lift number P13. Yeah, okay. Yeah, they're very loud. Blow your eardrums up.
Second.
You can go.
Is this the third or the round?
Oh, I think they're locked. Yeah, they're locked.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where am I on?
I don't know. Singular lift. I feel like I'm 26 persons. That's pretty high capacity for this. Every lift has a speaker in it, which isn't very good for filming, but I guess it's nice for guests. That's enough for this one. Last lift. Look at that motor. And over there is a massive Nidex service lift. It's 2021, this one's old. That's a short travel, isn't it? Well, that's that one. Pretty simple rotisserie glass. These are the other Star main lifts.
Those are 1030s. Or 90s. 96, yep.
Level 6, sorted. Please press the button to select your destination level range. Car park level B5 to B2. Car park level B1. Level 2, Grand Lobby to Level 7 Leisure Deck. Level 2, Grand Lobby to Level 7, Leisure Deck, selected. Please press the button to select your destination level. Level 2, Grand Lobby. Level 6, Grand Lobby, selected.
You must have felt sorry for my red shirt. Look at where I am.
And then you're wearing
I
like
know.
a
I'm hot.
Oh, did you just
Flush.
you were like, can we just
Do you know where we're going now? Oh, Mel, I feel like I need to put a face wash on my face.
I don't feel too This is 13. It's not even
Here we have the second set of main lifts, which are glass. Oh wow, this says Pixel Opal Touch. Oh, this is it for. Oh, it's locked. There you go. So this side actually goes.
Car park level B3.
Car park level P3.
Car park level B3.
Just say that.
Level 3, George Street.
Spy deck, guys.
Sky deck.
access to the sky.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
You're right.
Hey. Hello, John.
Level 4, the terrace
This is
level.
us, isn't it?
That's you, yeah.
Thanks so much, John. Hey, quick, John, say hello. What are you doing? Just like, right. He's in the elevator.
Level 4, the terrace level. 5, casino level. Level 2, event center.
Oh wow. Event center.
Doors closing.
Oh.
Doors closing.
This one has the Pixel Tech doors opening, doors closing voice.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good.
Doors opening. Level 3. Doors opening.
This one I'm pretty sure has Witter doors. Definitely, actually. I don't know why they chose Otis doors for some and Witter doors for others, but who knows.
Level 2. William Street. Doors opening.
Maybe fruit bars, some donut. They wanted a juice, but they were out of juices.
Car park level 4.
Flight attendants doing. These are the lifts that go to the sky deck that aren't part of the Star Hotel.
What's better?
That is better than the view you're going to get tomorrow night. I know it is.
Yeah, it's amazing.
No one's saying anything. Who's left the conversation? I'd love to know. You said they were right around. That's not the same, is it?
Yeah. Where do we want to go?
Four.
Oh, imagine Oh, yeah, that makes it worse.
Everything is 70 people in here. Are they not? No.
No. I'm not going to get stuck in here.
Go, get out. Go.
that?
Going up, mate?
Yeah.
That is good.
How do you feel coming here? Thank you, right?
Oddly enough, the Queen's Wharf escalators have tizzy cracks. That's right, this platform lift. I do though. RV150. Installed by Easy Living. I'm just gonna go up because I don't want to attract too much attention. There's that.